In this video we will show you the elgris Zero controller. The Zero controller is a smart meter and data logger integrated into a single device. The Zero export controller has been developed to manage the generated solar energy and to prevent feeding back solar energy to the grid. One application could be self-consumption, where the solar energy is only used by local consumers and not feed back to the grid. Another application is minimum consumption, where the controller ensures a minimum consumption from the grid. In cases where you want to feed into the grid but are limited due to technical or economical reasons, you can set a maximum feed-in. The appropriate limit values for your project can be set individually on the integrated web interface. The power is measured by easy-to-install, isolated current transformers, which can be installed without interrupting the power and offer a high safety level. The elgris Zero export controller can control up to 10 different inverters and supports a large number of inverter manufacturers. Technical details. Here are the screw terminal connectors where the current transformers are connected. With the appropriate current transformers, power from 1 kilowatt to 1 megawatt can be measured. With the built-in dip switch you can choose between single-phase and three-phase systems. Furthermore, a mains frequency of 50 or 60 Hz can be set via the dip switch. Right next to it is an RJ45 connector that acts as a RS485 bus. The Ethernet connector is used to connect to the local network. The USB 2.0 port acts as a local data logger and can further be used for firmware updates. The multicolor status LED informs the user about the current status. The entire controller can be fixed to a standard electric DIN rail and is covered with PUR. User interface. The elgris Zero has an integrated web server, which can be used via a standard web browser without additional software. On the start page, all important data can be viewed. The top of the page shows the current status of your controller. In the middle section, your current measurement data is displayed via the overview and the donut chart. In the lower area are the historical measurement data of the current day, shown by a graphic. The inverters can be configured via the inverter settings page. The elgris Zero supports up to 10 inverters. On this page you can see the status, the current performance, and the daily generated energy. The system information page shows the most important data about your controller. The advanced settings can be used to individually adjust your power limitation. The elgris Zero can additionally store the measured values in the elgris Cloud. With the free elgris Cloud app, the measured values can be displayed via a clear graphic. Self-consumption, solar generation, and export are displayed. Flexible display options allow a detailed evaluation of your energy consumption. For more information, visit our homepage elgrispower.com.